Hi, today's video is to unbox, setup and a review on HP Deskjet 3755 printer. The cartridges, like the ink cartridge we use for this printer, are number 65, that is tricolor and black. So you can get it in normal size and XL size, and there is always a discount coupon when you buy a new printer. This printer can do a print, scan and copy. So let's unbox it. So now I'm going to set up this printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button. Wait for the display light to come on the display panel. So you will see the lights like this. You will see it says a reading 0 and there is a flashing orange light, that is about the cartridge. So we need to install the cartridge here, and here is the Wi-Fi signal, and this is top orange light is for the paper which we are going to insert inside, and this blue light is actually for the Wi-Fi network. Let's install the ink cartridge first. To install the ink cartridge we need to open the front door, and you will see the sockets are moving and they will come here in the middle. Now we open these ink cartridges. So just remove this seal and we insert the color cartridge on this side. So just here and slide it in and remove this as well. So just slide it in and push it inwards. So once we install the ink cartridges here, we can close this chamber like this, and you can check on the screen. So as we see here, you can see this light has stopped to flash. That orange light was here, and now you can see the readings of the ink cartridges. There is showing the level of ink left. Now the next step is to load the paper. So just now we are going to load the paper. So open this flap and you can slide a tray out. So this is to place the pages here, and there is this you can see this lock or this size adjuster, so you can adjust according to the size of the paper. So just install the paper here. Now this is the out tray where we actually take the pages when they are printed, so that you can see here. So I'll show you how to do a quick copy with this. So you can see this is test page 1. So when you have to do a copy, just slide the page in this section like this and hold this page and then press the copy button so that it can go easily to print. So it's taking the print inside. Now we can leave the page. And now we can take this page out. So that you can see here, the page is printed, and that's the way we can use it to copy. Now the printer is really small in size and it's very handy and it's easy to set up. So it's good for the home or office use, and it's not very fast, but it's much better than other printers. And You can see other videos where I have scanned documents. So it's the top, this section is easy to use. You just have to hold the page here. You can do scan and you can do the copy, and if you want to do a print, you can connect it wirelessly with the number of devices, and you can do Wi-Fi setting with this printer, and then you can print. Thanks for watching.